Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a great entry-level tablet. So this was sent over by a company called UMIDIGI, and this is the box that it's going to come in, and it is the G9 tablet. That's the model number. So once you open it up, you're going to get everything you need to be set up. So you're going to first get a user manual that tells you about it. We're going to cover a lot of the features right here in the video. You are going to get a extra screen protector. It's going to come with one already on the device, but if that one ever gets ruined, they do include a nice spare, which is absolutely great. You are going to get the USB Type-C charging cable right here. It's going to come in this little package if you don't have any of these laying around, but this is a Type-C to C cable to charge it up. I got tons of these things. And then you're going to see a little pin there. That's how you're going to open up where the SD and SIM card door is. Then you are going to get a wall adapter here with the Type-C connection. So this is what you'll plug in to charge it up. So it includes that. Once again, you're going to get everything you need with this setup. You are going to get a stylus pen. So you get the nice rubber end. This is the one I use. And it also has at the end cap here, you have a more precise one that you can utilize if you're drawing or anything like that, but you get a little stylus. And then you're gonna get the tablet itself, and as you can see, it has a nice case already on it. So like I said, it's a one-stop shop. It makes it perfect for like a gift for anybody that's looking to get into a tablet or looking for an entry-level tablet, because it comes with everything you need. Now the case also does serve as a stand. So if you are like on an airplane or something, or you're sitting at your desk and you want to be able to watch a movie, you can just set it up in this and you're good to go. Or if you're having a little like Skype call or something like that, you can utilize it. And then as you can see, here is the device itself. So first off, let's cover the cameras. You're gonna have a single camera here on the back. The camera itself is a 13 megapixel on the back, and then you have a little camera right there on the front, which is an 8 megapixel. If you are utilizing this, it's great for like little calls and things like that. This is not a very powerful camera, so don't expect it to take amazing photos. You don't wanna bring this on trip and make your memories out of it, but it's great if you're like, oh, I wanna capture that, or like I said, if you are having calls with somebody, you want to show where you are, it works perfect for that. Now, as far as the tablet size itself, it does have an 11-inch screen here. That's the diagonal side, but the tablet overall size is 10.25 inches wide. It's about 6.75 inches kind of in depth here, and then the thickness of it is about 1/2 inch. Now you can utilize this to unlock it with either a pin, or you can go ahead and add your face for face recognition. So it has those settings. It is using basically the Android 14 OS. It's slightly modified because it has some custom stuff built into the app, the folders itself, but you can go to the standard Play Store and download the various apps that you want to utilize out there, which is another obviously nice feature. As far as the processor, it does have an octa-core processor, which is a lot more faster processor, but don't compare this to like the flagship tablets out there. It's not going to be that level of kind of graphics and screen. It is more in the entry level, but it's going to be able to play the most standard games as long as they're not like high, heavy graphics games, but a lot of the typical cell phone games out there, it's going to do perfectly fine with. It's also going to be fine with doing your emails, watching movies, hitting YouTube up, all that kind of fun stuff. Now it does have up to 8 gigabits of RAM. It's basically got a 4 in there, and then there's in the settings, which is turned off when you first get it. So you can turn that on. It'll basically take from the memory and it'll add another 4. So you can get up to a total of 8. As far as that memory, it does have 256 gigabits of memory. So you can save those videos, you can save plenty of apps, all that kind of fun stuff. But if you're running out of room, it does allow you to put in a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. So if you want to bring a bunch of movies, let's say you have a bunch of movies on your computer or whatnot, and you want to put them on an SD drive, you can do that and then access them through the settings and bring those along with you, which is another nice feature. So speaking of the SD card, it does also be able to do a 4G cellular network. So I just use this as a Wi-Fi tablet because it connects via the 4G, just the regular Wi-Fi. It works perfectly for me. But if you are out and about and you want to add this to your cell phone plan, you can do that. And it will have, you'll put your micro SD card in one slot and your SD SIM card in the other spot. If you want dual SIM cards, so you're going to want to switch between maybe a work account and a personal account, you can lose the SD card for memory and basically put in the 2 SIM cards. So it does support up to dual SIM, but you have the flip side of that is you have to lose the extra memory as far as the use of that. Now, as far as battery life, it does have a 7,200 mAh battery. What is that going to do as far as battery life? You're going to get about a full day out of it. Obviously, it's hard to judge. Like if you're using a lot of videos, it's going to come down a lot faster. If you're doing Skype calls, the battery's going to last. But if you're just going surfing the internet and all that, you're going to easily be able to get through the day. But it does charge up pretty fast because it does include, like I said, the 18-watt fast charger. So you can plug that in and charge it up, especially if you're traveling or you're flying or going somewhere like that and you're bringing this on the airplane. As far as the screen size, like I said, it is an entry level. It is just an HD screen. It is a 1280 by 800 as far as the screen. But, it looks great. It still looks, movies still work great on it. Videos, YouTube still works great on it. TikTok, all that fun stuff out there, it still looks great on it. And you can play all your games. You can check your emails, all that kind of stuff. But overall, it is a nice little tablet. I love the fact that it comes with everything you need. It also does have, if you have an old school plug-in earbuds, there is a jack there at the top, so you can utilize that. You're gonna have the port to charge it up on the side. It does have dual speakers on either side, so you do have plenty of sound when utilizing it itself. And then all the little power buttons are on the top as far as turning it on and taking the pictures and all that kind of stuff. But overall, it's a nice little tablet. Like if you're looking for a tablet for yourself or to give somebody or like a kiddo or something like that, and you're kind of wanting to introduce them to nicer devices, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.